Lucky Irish guy here. Today we're going to make a Peach Basil Moscow Mule. Very simple ingredients. You can see that picked up. Some Svedka Peach Vodka, ginger beer, fresh ingredients, lemon, fresh basil, and fresh peaches. Let's begin. Take your shaker tin, grab yourself some basil leaves, put about 3 or 4 of them in there. Some few chunks of fresh peach. Give that a muddle. Now I like to muddle with agave syrup. Some people like to use simple syrup, but I think the agave syrup, less calories, all that good stuff. Okay. Give that a muddle. Now what you want to do is just press down and turn. You want to extract the leaf, the juice out of the leaves. You don't want to over muddle and really smash everything to hell. Okay. Now what we're going to use here is we're going to use half a lemon. Okay. Now traditional Moscow Mules uses lime, but we're going to use lemon because it brings out the flavors of the peach. You can squeeze it by hand. The squeezes are pretty inexpensive at the store. They're like $2 or $3. Okay. Let's go 2 ounces of the peach vodka. Fill your shaker up with ice, about 3/4 of the way. Give that a shake. Grab your pre-chilled mug. Now I have these mugs and glass in my freezer. You can put a little ice in there to begin with, make it cold, but I usually have ones pre-chilled. Put your ice in there. Now your crushed ice, I have a Ninja, works really well. You can always use a Lewis bag with nothing more than a canvas bag and a big mallet, or you can simply use a towel, wrap the ice up, and then beat it on the ground. Very simple. Fill your mug up with the crushed ice. Grab your Hawthorne strainer. Top it off with some ginger beer. Throw in your garnishes because the eye drinks with you. Little lemon garnish, little peach garnish on there. Because at the end of the day, it is all about the cocktail. Hey, Ray again. So I really hope you enjoyed my video. What I wish you to do at this point is I wish you to subscribe. It's very important that you subscribe, and it is also very important that you comment. Throw a comment in there. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me what you think you need to improve on. Tell me how I can make this better. So I hope you check out another one of my videos. Check out my story if you wonder why I talk funny or why I do all the drinks with my left hand. Do me a favor, watch another one of my videos. Watch my story especially. Thank you, and I'll catch you later. Sláinte.